Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn to make a stand in Please Donate. Firstly, you have to open the Roblox player. So in the search panel of Windows, type Roblox player, then click on open. Then after the Roblox application opens, you have to go to the search panel, then type Please Donate. Then click on the first game. Now click on the play button. After your game loads properly, you have to find an unclaimed booth in order to claim it and start your stall. So I'll pick this one, press and hold E to claim the booth. After claiming the booth, you will see that all your offered items is showing on in the top section of the stall. You can again press and hold E to edit the stall. You can edit your booth from here and text from here. Now I'll change the text to hello. Now you can see the hello written here. You can also edit the font of the booth text. So I'll change it to something other than the previous one. You can see the font has changed. Now I'll change the text color to red. Now you will see that the color has changed as well. You can change various things from here and also unclaim the booth. That's how you make a booth in Please Donate. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.